Open the app. You can share your card by using Bazzlo to Bazzlo sharing. Tap on the sharing icon and then click on the Bazzlo icon. Type the name of the person you want to share the card within the search field. Select the checkbox and then tap on share. An alert pop-up will be displayed. If the selected person or number is not in the Bazzlo app, you can share via WhatsApp or SMS. Select the desired option. If you choose SMS, tap on Send to share your card. If you want to share your card in bulk, and you only have the numbers without them being saved on your contact list, then go to the Bazzlo icon. At the top side, tap on Add to input the numbers in the text field separated by commas. Then tap on Add again and tap on the Share button. Share your card according to the options displayed. Let's select SMS. Tap on Send to share your card's link via SMS. Next, let's look at sharing via WhatsApp. Tap on the sharing icon and then tap on the WhatsApp icon. This will redirect you to your chat. Select the person you want to share your card with and tap on Enter. The card link and a preview of the card will be displayed. Tap on the sharing icon and then choose the mail icon. Select your app to open the email. The card link will be in the email's body and send the email. Tap on the share icon, then tap on the address slider to share your card's address while sharing your card link. Tap on the WhatsApp icon to choose a person to share your card. On the chat preview of the card, the link and address are present, but without the address slider. Only the link will be displayed. Go back, tap on the share icon, then tap on the slider. This slider only works for cards whose addresses are editable. You can turn the address slider on or off by going to the hamburger menu, then tapping on Settings. Find the address sharing option and you will see the Show and Hide Address while sharing options. Select the Hide option to deactivate the slider, then tap on Save. Go back to your card and check the status to ensure that the address slider is turned off and vice versa. Lastly, you can share your card via QR code. Copy the link and the other person can scan your code to access your card via the link.